You need about 3 to 4 minutes to clean the head surrounding area and perform the cleaning every day. Use maintenance solution SPC0369 and cleaning stick SPC0527. When performing the cleaning, use maintenance washing liquid kit SPC0369 and cleaning liquid bottle kit SPC0137. Perform the cleaning with the media removed. Go to Maintenance, Station Maintenance, Carriage Out, Station Maintenance, and press the Enter key. The carriage slides over the table. Open the front cover. Clean the cap rubber. Let a dropper suck up small amount of the maintenance washing liquid kit, part number SPC0369, or cleaning solution bottle kit, part number SPC0137, and drip the liquid in the disposable cup. Let the clean stick absorb the maintenance solution. Never pour the remaining liquid in the cup back to the bottle. Wipe off the ink on the cap rubber with the clean stick soaked with the maintenance solution. If you find the clean stick is soaked up with ink, replace it to the new, and continue the cleaning. Once finished the cleaning, close the cover and press the Enter key. This is the end of cleaning the capping station. Double-check your maintenance manual and operation manual as well. Perform the daily maintenance to keep the printer at its best.